Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn about the grade formula, how to calculate the grade of student's mark sheet, and we will learn if statement, how to use this if statement. So let's first design this grade sheet. Press the F2 key to edit the cell value. And here we will use this function random between, and we will generate a random number from 50 to the maximum marks of the subject. As here you can see that we have this relative reference here. Let's change this to absolute. For total, press Alt equal. For quick sum formula, here we will change this relative reference to absolute reference because the total marks are fixed for all of the students. Let's rename this sheet from sheet 1 to gradebook, and let's add another sheet of grades. Let's create a table. From 50 to 60 we will assign D, 60 to 70 C, 80 to 90 B, and 90 to 100 A. So as we have percentages, so we will convert all of these ranges into percentage. If 80% is greater then this 90%. Then if the condition is true, then show this A. Else show these question marks. And now you can see that we have 0, 0, 0. This is because we used relative references. We need absolute reference here. So we will change this relative reference to absolute reference. Press F4 and then select this and press F4. Now copy the formula. Here we have. The formula is applied. Let's further build this if statement. If this 77% is greater than this 80%, then show me this B. Else show these question marks. Apply this formula and here you can see that we have B grades. Further extend this formula. If this 77% is greater than this 60%, then show me this C. Else show these question marks. Apply this formula. Now for the last condition, if this 81% is greater than this 50%, then assign T. Else show these question marks. Now we can replace this question mark to try again. These values are continuously changing, so select all of these values, then right click, copy, and then right click, paste special and values. Let's change some values, and now you can see that we have this message, try again. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to this channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.